One bright morning, Sam and Sniffles climbed into a colorful hot air balloon. With a whoosh of warm air, the balloon lifted gently into the sky. Soon they floated above the giant pyramids in the desert. They sailed over a winding river shining in the sunshine. Next, they drifted past the tall Eiffel Tower in Paris. Across the ocean they traveled, high above the clouds. In New York, the Statue of Liberty waved proudly below them. The city sparkled with tall buildings and tiny cars. Far away in China, green mountains rolled like waves. The Great Wall stretched across the hills like a giant dragon. They floated peacefully across wide blue oceans. Snowy mountains rose high into the clouds. Lush jungles and colorful birds filled the skies of the rainforest. Then the Grand Canyon opened below them, deep and magnificent. The sun began to set. Sam and Sniffles watched the golden sky together. They traveled across the whole world, and the adventure had just begun. My dear friends, have you been on a hot air balloon or would like to go on one? Ask Mom and Dad to take you. Well, they may not be able to take you where Sam and Sniffles went to on their sky adventure, but it will be so much fun. Join us on our next adventure. Bye, kids!